Last night I woke up to the sound of whispering. At first I thought it was just a dream, but then I realized it was coming from the closet. My heart started racing, but I had to check. I mean, who wouldn't? I tiptoed across the room, every creak of the floor sounding like a thunderclap in the silence. The whispering got louder. Goosebumps spread up my arms, but I grabbed the handle and yanked open the door. Nothing. No one there. Just my clothes hanging, lifeless. I stared into the darkness, feeling like a fool, when suddenly I heard it again. Psst, down here. I looked down and saw my cat, staring up at me with an annoyed look. And right next to her, the Bluetooth speaker I'd lost last week. Guess I fell asleep while playing a podcast. Worst part? It was true crime. My cat must have been judging me the whole time.